Hey guys, how's everything going? So I'm excited to talk to you today about, not about Glow Recipe, but about Glow Recipe's sister brand. So you might be familiar with Glow Recipe. I'm assuming you are if you're a skincare aficionado like me, if you're all about K-beauty and learning practices and ingredients and products from the world of K-beauty. Glow Recipe is the place to go for that. They are the ones who brought us the amazing Watermelon Glow sleeping mask, and more recently this Avocado Melt sleeping mask. I love this stuff. For winter, it's been incredible. You see it? Look how like scrumptious it is. So the folks at Glow Recipe created about 2 months ago. They launched a new alternative brand to Glow Recipe. I don't want to say a sub brand because it's a completely different concept. And so what it is a collection of vitamin serums. There are 3 vitamin and superfood serums infused with superfoods that have each distinct benefits for skin. The most important thing that these 3 serums deliver for your skin is antioxidants. I can't talk enough about antioxidants. I go kind of deep into antioxidants and my backstory on them in the SKINCARMA blog this week about the Sweet Chef serums. So be sure you take a look at that. It's at skincarma.com. Just type it into Google, it'll come up, or the links will be in the comments below this video. So antioxidants are so important, so valuable for your skin and for maintaining the health of your skin, honestly. For the longest time, I remember way back, when I first started hearing about antioxidants, the feeling was in, marketing departments in big beauty brands that antioxidants were something that younger consumers were interested in, that older consumers weren't interested in antioxidants because they prevent signs of aging, right? They protect your skin from damage, from environmental damage, and other forms of damage. That ages the skin. So the presumption really was that older consumers already have the damage and they're most looking for products that repair or correct the damage. So the damage has already been done. And they don't want products that are about antioxidants. The younger consumers want to prevent damage, right? But that's completely boneheaded. It's such a stupid way to look at things. The way you need to look at, and the way I look at antioxidants, is that yes, they prevent damage, they prevent aging, and it doesn't matter how old you are, you want to prevent yourself from looking older than you are at every stage in life. So we all want to prevent signs of aging. As you get older, you want to prevent signs of aging from getting worse, prevent wrinkles getting deeper, age spots appearing more prominent, pores, getting huge. That's the big problem I have with my nose as I'm getting older. So antioxidants, I like to think of antioxidants as central to a healthy skincare regimen and to maintaining the health of your skin. So with that, if you're not using antioxidants in your regimen, the Sweet Chef serums are the perfect way to incorporate antioxidants into your skincare regimen right now. I have been evaluating them over the past month and a half, I would say. It's been about 6 weeks. If you picked up all 3 of these products, you'd have all the antioxidants that your skin needs to remain healthy, period. So what's different about each of these? So let's take them one at a time. The first one is infused with beet extract, as well as, and I'm assuming that the vitamin A in the product is being derived at least partially from the beets. So vitamin A, we all know, is retinol. Is this like a potent retinol serum? Like it's going to super retexturize your skin and cause like that irritation and the peeling and all of that. No, the retinol level in here is not high enough to do that, but it's clearly high enough to smooth out your skin texture. So if you're sensitive to retinol or you're already using a retinol serum, you can certainly get away with doing using this product. I actually, a couple of nights over the last couple of weeks, used this at the same time that I was also using like a serious like retinoid, the SkinCeuticals one, and I didn't see any additional irritation whatsoever. So this product is rich in vitamin A and what Sweet Chef calls sea berry fruit extract. I'm not familiar with that particular ingredient. They say it's infused with omega fatty acids, omegas 3, 6, 7, and 9, for super hydration, moisturization. Take a look at it. I mean, it's pretty, right? It's this amazing pink color. You see it's a little bit of a thick gel. Again, not really sure what it smells like. It just smells fresh. It's got glycerin in it, which is a humectant, terrific humectant that helps lock moisture in the skin. It has soybean. It has cocoa seed extract, which is a really good antioxidant. There's nothing bad in this formula. It's a great product. It's $20. There's only one thing about all three of these products that I'm not in love with, and that's the inclusion of lavender oil. It is, thankfully, the very last ingredient on the ingredient list for each of the 3 serums. So no concerns about irritation there. I'm assuming that they put the lavender oil in there to tone down some of the smell of the natural ingredients, I'm assuming, and to make them more appealing. So that's the vitamin A serum shot. Boom, $20. Great way to incorporate antioxidants and particularly retinol into your regimen. The second one, this one's really fun. This is the Kale and vitamin B serum shot. So look, I moved to New York. I moved to New York in 2002, and I had never in my entire life heard of kale. Period. End of story. Huh? Kale what? And of course, it's everywhere now, right? And I have actually become quite fond of kale, and I don't want to boast, but my kale pesto is kind of amazing. And so, healthy superfood shake every morning, filled with hemp oil, all kinds of great stuff. Antioxidants too. My kale pesto is amazing. Period. End of story. The truth about pesto. Here's the truth about pesto. You can make pesto with just about anything. You can customize it on your own. You need a green, like kale, spinach, basil, any kind of green leafy vegetable. You need a green. You need a nut. You can use walnuts. You can use pine nuts. You can use, you can use macadamia nuts if you want. If you want like a really rich, fatty kale. Fatty pesto. You can use almonds. Whatever. So you need a green. You need a nut. You need some salt. You need a couple teaspoons of olive oil, and you need some garlic and a couple cloves of garlic minced up. Put that in the blender or your food processor, or I have one of those little things that's about this big. It's like kind of like looks like a coffee grinder. Grind that all up, and you're good. You're good. That's it. That's all you need. Toss some of that in the frying pan with a little olive oil. melt it down, heat it up, and then toss the pasta, cooked pasta into it, and you're good. The great thing about that, and the great thing about pesto, is you can make a lot of it. And what I do is I put my pesto in single servings, like for me or whatever, in Ziploc bags, individual Ziploc bags. I think there's 3 or 4 of them in the freezer right now. Pesto freezes really well. Boy, did I get off on a tangent. Anyway, so what you do is you take that Ziploc bag out, you toss that frozen pesto in the frying pan, heat it up, and you start all over again. But that's that. So this serum, the particular form of vitamin B in this serum is Panthenol. So super moisturizing. Panthenol is a humectant, helps hold moisture and water in the skin. This serum also has, in addition to kale, it has aloe flower extract, which I think is really interesting. I don't think I've ever seen aloe flower extract used in skincare before. Glow Recipe Sweet Chef says that it's a powerful anti-inflammatory that soothes and moisturizes dry, irritated skin. Can't beat that. It's milky. It's not as pulpy, I guess, as the beet and vitamin A serum. Just smells really fresh and herbal. So this is a moisturizer, right? You can use this as your moisturizer if you want. Packed with superfoods, antioxidants, skin soothers, humectants, all of it. It's a great moisturizer. You can use it alone, or you can layer it underneath your regular moisturizer or a facial oil at night. These products go very well together. In fact, you can use all 3 of them together. They're distinct serums. And that brings me to the third, and I feel like this is the star. So anytime you're looking at a vitamin C serum, to me, that's the star. You know, like, I can get away with not using retinol in my regimen. I can get away with not using Panthenol in my regimen. But vitamin C, you have to have vitamin C in your regimen. And this is an extremely well-formulated vitamin C serum. This ginger and vitamin C shot, the form of vitamin C, there are multiple forms of vitamin C, as you probably know. The form of vitamin C that's in this product is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is one of the purest, most potent forms of vitamin C. It's notoriously unstable, and I have to tip my hat to the chemists at Glow Recipe for getting this one right. It's at a relatively high level, as I recall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ingredient number 7, right after ginger root extract. Outstanding vitamin C serum. Interesting about ginger, so you don't see that ingredient in skincare quite often, and I'm assuming that when Glow Recipe was formulating these, the whole concept was to come out with really simple, targeted serums made with superfoods. And ginger just happens to be, they probably had a whole list. So they have beet, kale, and ginger. I'm sure there were others. But ginger is an interesting ingredient. It's an antioxidant. But Sweet Chef says that it revives with healing properties. It's a radiant booster, and it contains 40 different kinds of antioxidant properties to even out your skin tone for clear, healthy, youthful skin. I mean, can you go wrong with that? And it's at a high level, so it's going to be active in the formula. Again, the most important component ingredient in this is the ascorbic acid. People ask me all the time for vitamin C serums. Obviously, my favorite vitamin C serum is the ordinary vitamin C powder. I can't talk about this enough. This baby. This has been in my regimen forever. It was the SKINCARMA product of the year last year. But It's difficult to use, and it's complicated to use with other serums. There's a lot of conflicts with this. You can't use it with peptides. You can't use it with niacinamide. It gets deactivated. It deactivates other products, other ingredients. So this is a terrific alternative. Is it as potent? No, but it's relatively effective, certainly. Relative to other vitamin C serums. The other noteworthy ingredient in this serum in particular is turmeric root extract. You're starting to see that in a lot of products. It's a terrific turmeric, or as some people say, turmeric, which I can't stand that pronunciation. It's turmeric. It's spelled turmeric. Turmeric doesn't sound like tumor. So turmeric is an outstanding anti-inflammatory. I mean, inflammation is key to, or lack of inflammation and controlling inflammation is key to skin health. And it also happens to be a terrific, really potent antioxidant. So I have a friend in LA who's a naturopathic doctor, and he turned me on to that. I think I was having like pains in my elbows, and he's like, get yourself a good turmeric supplement. And so I take that every morning. The pain is like, I don't know, from lifting or whatever. No big deal. Excellent vitamin C serum. Look, I am itching to do a vitamin C blog in the next couple weeks, and this has got to be in my top recommendations. It's just really, really, really well formulated. Outstanding. Bravo. So that's kind of it for Sweet Chef, guys. These serums are terrific. They're quite affordable, like almost ridiculously affordable. They're $20 a piece. I'll drop the links in the comment section of the video. I definitely have the SKINCARMA approval for these guys. So that's it. I do want to ask you to be sure to subscribe to my SKINCARMA channel. Just hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. The subscribe button on YouTube on my SKINCARMA channel. And that's it. Have a good one, guys. Check out Sweet Chef. I'll drop the links, and I'll catch you all later.